I made a video on this, so I thought I'll just make a short video on what it takes to be successful on this platform. So a lot of people start this and they do it for a week and then they don't get any responses from the proposals and they give up. No, the key to be successful with this is to, of course, follow the information taught in this, having a solid profile, having a video on your profile, and having an optimized outreach message. If you do those things, it's not enough. You have to be consistent with this. I would say commit to a period of at least 60 days, 60 to 90 days. I'm very confident if you follow this process and you're committing to this for a period of 60 to 90 days, you will see success. And what I mean, commit to 60 to 90 days, like you need to be on Upwork every single day. So especially when you're first starting. So every single day, when I first started, I woke up and did my morning routine, and the first thing I did was hop on Upwork and go down the outreach. So each 24 hours, you need to be going down to 24 hours. You need to be doing that on a daily basis and applying to relevant jobs or jobs that you are interested in for 60 to 90 days. So yeah, you need to invest your time, invest your energy, invest your money into Upwork every single day. So some people, like, there's someone I help them getting started. Someone I know personally help them get started. They're like, oh, I've sent six proposals and no one's even viewed them, blah blah blah. And I'm like, look, you need to be on this every single day. You need to be doing this every single day. And I just have to really push that and emphasize that it really takes consistency to get results with this. And then eventually, guys, you're just gonna get people sliding into your DMs, essentially. I get a lot of inbound leads. I probably say I get more inbound leads than I do from my outreach messages now. Because when you invest into Upwork, Upwork invests into you, and it starts favoring you, and it starts giving you invitations, and clients all of a sudden start hitting you up to work with you. So that's the true benefit of Upwork. So yeah, that's what I would say. You just need to be at it every single day. Some days I go through the Upwork 24 hours through my 4 keywords or whatever, and I don't see anything to apply to, and that's just the way that day was. But the next day I'm still on it. And a way, especially because speed wins as well, and a way to increase your sort of performance. So me personally, I do it right now. It's 11:30 a.m. But it's it's the first task I do on my laptop when I open it up. Every single day, but you can do it if you have the bandwidth. You can be doing 2 check-ins, 3 check-ins for any new opportunities. So you can maybe split it morning, evening, and night, see if there's new opportunities, so you can apply faster. But me personally, I just stick to in the morning just because I prefer my discipline that way. But yeah, that's the message.